guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to fix the join failed because you are on a different version error code in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. And let's get straight into the video. So the main reason that this error code is happening is because you or one of your friends is updated and the other person is not. So basically, just make sure that your game is fully up to date. Make sure go over to if you have it on Xbox app, go over to Xbox app, right click on it, and just make sure it's up to date. Should say update somewhere. It should even say update on the play button. And once your game is updated, go ahead and you can start it back up. I recommend restarting your PC right after it updates as well. That could also help fix the issue as well. But whatever it's on Steam or Xbox app, close the application. If you don't see the application open up, go ahead and open up Task Manager and forcefully close either Xbox app or Steam, whatever you have it downloaded from, and then go ahead and hit end task. What you can also do is you can also hit end task on Call of Duty. That will also forcefully close it, and then update it, and then once the next time it's open, you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that should be it. I highly the last thing you guys can resort to is deleting the game and then reinstalling it, because once you reinstall it, it reinstalls with the latest update. So that should also fix the issue. And yeah, that should be it. In game, there really isn't much you can do other than just update the game, because that is the reason why this error code is happening. You can always try to uh maybe try to, if it's not working in multiplayer, maybe try doing it in Warzone or try doing it in zombies. So that could also help fix the issue. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.